Okay, so we are now doing a screen recording of exactly how to get into Zencastr and set up some basic parameters and set up for the interview. So pretty simple process. It should just take a moment or two to do this. So just go up to your browser. You're going to type in Zencastr. So remember it's Zencastr.com. You're going to go to their website. And then if you're not already logged in, which you probably aren't, you'll need to log into your account, use your username and password that you've already set up. And you're going to get into the dashboard, which is this little section right here. Click on dashboard. A few things when you're in the dashboard, mine might look a little busier than yours right now because you don't have a whole series of other interviews that you've done using it, so this area may be completely blank at this point. Just check out the record settings down here. You're going to make sure you want to turn off the wave recording. You don't need to use wave recording if you're just going to be doing some voice recordings. It's pretty simple. And then just make sure that these two are checked for the use built-in VoIP and use the soundboard as well. So make sure that those are both selected. If we're going to create a new episode, and this will be for an upcoming episode that you're going to have. So let's just call this episode, whoever the name is of your interview subject, if you're doing an interview, John Smith. And then we're just going to create a new episode. When we do that, it's going to take us to the actual recording screen that we're going to use. If you want to just check some basic parameters, you're going to go over to the gear. You're going to select the microphone that you're going to be using, so audio input. Whether you're using the built-in microphone, which you probably won't be, you'll probably be using, in this particular case, we're going to be using the Blue Yeti microphone. Because I don't have it plugged in, it's not offered as a suggestion in the drop-down, but wherever that Yeti microphone or whatever the professional mic that you have, that's the one that you're going to use. So you're going to take it off the default. You're also going to take the audio output and put that onto the Yeti microphone or whatever your professional headphone output is as well. That could be, if you're using a Yeti, just select Yeti because the headphone jack is actually on the bottom of the Yeti screen. Going to make sure that the monitor is disabled. Echo noise cancellation also disabled, and the VoIP is enabled. You're going to click Save on the settings, and that is going to be the end of it. Over here, it will have whatever you've registered your account as, and it will say instead of system default microphone, it should say that that is going to be the Yeti. All right. So then the next recording that we'll do is actually how to record an interview once somebody is here. You'll have their name and you'll just hit the save, start recording button. But at this point, that is just the basic parameters for how to set up to start a recording. All right.